Welcome to Tech in the Car. This video is all about the Ring alarm security system. I really like this product. It's really easy to use. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what it is, how it works, what it does. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I will happily answer them. And please like this video if you find it helpful. Let's look at the unboxing and see how I installed it in my property. Let's unbox the Ring alarm system. So, quick look at the box first of all. Alarm, wireless home security, whole home security in your hands. You can see the app here on the iPhone in this example, the base unit. It looks like the alarm, the keypad, the sensors. So that's what it looks like from the outside. It will tell you on the side here what's in the box. So there we go, base station, keypad, motion detector, pet friendly, contact sensor, range extender, batteries, Ethernet cable, quick start guide, security sticker, install accessories. And you can see it works with Z-Wave Plus, Zigbee, cellular backup, Wi-Fi BGN at 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. There we go, and then we can take off the top. So inside it says, say hello to Ring. These are the instructions, we'll have a look at those in a second. The base unit. Which has, that looks like a battery space there. It's got a screw though, power cable. You got your reset button here, your pairing button, Ethernet and USB type A. So that's the base station. Sensors and accessories. I really like how this is divided up so you can see what everything is. So here we have the keypad, so you can use that to put in your access code to get in and get out. You've got buttons there. You can choose your access mode, so it can be away, disarmed, or home. So we remove this now. Range extender, contact sensor, motion detector. Here we go. Pull it out. So this is the range extender. Contact sensor, so these go on your door, so when the door is open or closed it loses contact, and so it knows when the door is open and closed. We've got our motion detector here, again with wall mounting, motion detector accessories, mounting bracket, mounting tape, anchors and mounting screws, all in here. So you know, this is awesome. Ring have thought about everything that goes in the box, and that's something which is really awesome to see. And then we've got our power cable here, USB type A, there we go. And that is the plug-in, so this connects to this. Put that back in there. Ethernet cable and anchors. Another power supply. And then again, just like with the camera, really nicely done. So there's 3 lots of EU plugs. And then we've got the UK plugs as well. So that is what is inside the box. Let's just have a look at this documentation here. We've got our multiple language stickers to let people know Ring is monitoring the home. You've got information about the security monitoring plan, and you've got some warranty and further instructions. So packaging is really important as part of any experience, and Ring have really thought it out really carefully. In this box there's everything you need, and then it's really well organized. There's compartments, there's information which says what bit is which. I really love the stickers that come with the Ring system, which you can put on your window in multiple different languages if you're in Europe, so people know that you have an alarm system. Let's talk about what's in the box. The base unit is mains powered, but also has a battery backup which will last up to 24 hours if it's disconnected. It also has cellular backup, so if your Wi-Fi does go down or is disconnected, it will still be able to let you know as long as you have the Ring Protect Plus subscription. You get a 30-day trial out the box. This also gives you 30 days of video history if you have a Ring camera or doorbell, and the alarm system will call up to 3 contacts on the phone when the alarm goes off. And if it does do that, it sounds like this.
Hello, this is a call from the Ring Alarm Monitoring Service. We received a burglar alarm signal. The alarm was triggered by front door at 10:57 a.m. Sunday, the 3rd of January 2021. To confirm that you have received this call, press 1 now. Thank you.
That's cool, isn't it? Ring Protect Plus costs £8 per month or £80 a year in the UK. Just like the base unit, the keypad has battery backup. In fact, the keypad can run for up to 7 months on battery alone, and it's really portable, which means you can mount it on the wall or you can carry it around with you wherever you go. It just needs a few hours to charge up initially, and then you're good to go. The motion sensor is really easy to mount. It's got the wall plugs, the screws in the box, so it's all ready to go just like everything else in this kit. It uses a passive infrared sensor, or PIR, and it's able to detect everything that's going on in your room. But what about pets, I might hear you ask? Well, if you have a pet that's under 30 kilograms, then it's automatically been designed to not go off when it sees them. However, if your pet is slightly larger and heavier than that, then you can adjust the sensitivity in the settings to be less or more sensitive. If your pets are really big, then it's recommended they're kept in a room without a motion sensor, or you close the doors. But you can experiment and adjust the sensitivity, and you should be able to find something which works for you and won't go off when your pets are wandering around. If you have a really big home, Ring have thought about that as well. Inside the box is a range extender which just plugs into any wall socket. It will extend the Z wave, so sensors on the other side of the house will still be able to connect to the base unit and keep you secure and safe. In the 5-piece security set, you get one contact sensor for one door or window or wherever you want to put it. There's also a half-size contact sensor which works with the standard size other half, which will work if you have a door or window that isn't flush and you maybe need to squeeze it into an area which is slightly harder for the full-size sensor to fit. So you have one contact sensor for one door or window in the 5-piece. You are also able to order the kit with more contact sensors as well, or buy them separately. So there's something for everybody. How do you set up the Ring security system? First of all, download the Ring app from the App Store or Play Store on Android or iOS, and then create an account. Super easy. Just create a password, put in your email. It will then verify your email by clicking on the link when it sends it through to you. After you set up the app, you click on Add Device, then press the pairing button on the back and it will scan for the base station. It will recognize that it is a Ring alarm system. It will recognize it's a base unit. If you already have any Ring products set up, it will take the Wi-Fi settings from those. If you don't, it will ask you what your Wi-Fi is. Once that's done, it will automatically search for the other Ring sensors and the various parts of the security kit. For the battery operated parts of the security system, we're talking about the contact sensors and the motion sensor. Just pull out the little battery tabs and they will turn on. For the range extender, just plug it in. They will automatically look for the base unit. The app will see them and it will connect them all up. It's really simple. You don't have to manually pair each device. They're already pre-paired out the box. So well done, Ring, that's really helpful. And then once you're done, it's essentially set up. Once all the contact sensors and the motion sensor and the range extender are all connected up, you're done. Then it's back to the app to continue setting up your PIN code and changing the settings. Let me take you through how I set mine up. So this is a base unit. I paired it using the app, as I've already explained, and then I plugged the keypad into the base unit using the USB which came in the box, so they were next to each other. The keypad and the base unit and all the other parts are pre-paired, so all you have to do is pull out the battery tabs to get them set up. I decided to put the keypad over on the wall, so after I had it charged for a few hours to give it 7 months of battery life, I screwed the base plate into the wall, and then when it was ready, I slid the keypad onto it, and it was ready to go, mounted perfectly, fully charged and ready to be used. In the 5-piece kit that I got, there was one contact sensor with a half-size contact sensor for situations like this. As you can tell from this door frame, it's not flat, so I had to use a half-size sensor to fit it into the space to make sure it was ready to go. And then as far as the base unit was concerned, I decided to move it from where it was and mount it on the wall on some screws, which I thought looked a lot better. The motion sensor was placed high up on the wall so it could have a good view of the entire area so it wouldn't miss it if anything happened and there was any motion detected. So nice and simple to set up. So how does the app work? There are 3 different modes on the app: Away, Home and Disarmed. Away monitors all of your sensors when you're out of the house or away, on holiday, working, whatever you're doing. It will keep your home secure while you're out of the house. In the home setting, it only monitors your perimeter sensors like your doors and your windows. So it means you can walk around the house, but the motion sensor and alarm won't go off. But it means externally your house is secure, so if somebody tries to break in, you will know about it. Disarmed means what it says. All the sensors and the alarm are disarmed and they will not go off again unless you rearm them. To arm your system, all you have to do is enter your 4-digit PIN code and then hit the away or home button. To disarm your system, just enter your 4-digit PIN and then hit the disarm button. You'll have 60 seconds once you open your door to get in and do that. You can of course arm, disarm and set up the various modes in the app. So if you're coming up to your home and you don't want to have to enter the keypad, no problem, you can do it with the Ring app. If there's an emergency, you can activate the panic alarm by hitting the check mark and the X button and holding them, and it will instantly go off with a loud alarm which will let people know there's a problem. When the system detects motion or one of the contact sensors is tripped, it will send an alert to your phone to let you know that's happened. If the alarm is disarmed by yourself or a friend or anybody else coming into your property, other family members, then no problems, the alarm won't go off. If within that 60 seconds it's not disarmed, the alarm will then go off. Not only will it go off in the property, which is very loud, but it will also then alert you to your phone and it will start calling the 3 contacts on your contact list with a phone call like you heard earlier. If you have a Ring camera or doorbell, it will also turn on those cameras so you can see what's going on in your home if they're not already on anyway because they detected motion. At £249, I've already told you that I think this is a great system. It's really simple and easy to use. It comes pre-paired with all the bits you need to install it, and you can easily do it yourself. This video hopefully showed you also some tips on how you can get it all to work. Yes, there is a monthly charge if you want to have the extra features like the calling the contacts feature. You don't have to use that, but if you also have Ring cameras, that £8 a month includes the camera recording as well as the extra security features of the alarm system, and I strongly recommend them. There's no other competitor on the market now that doesn't have a monthly subscription, and if you want security, you want that peace of mind, it's worth paying. But if you don't want to pay it, you still can get alerts to your phone just like you would have done anyway. Ring, being part of Amazon, also lets you arm and disarm the system with your voice using your Alexa Amazon Echo. Alexa, disarm the Ring alarm.
What's your voice code for Ring?
0000.
Ring is disarmed.
Alexa, arm the Ring alarm.
Ring is armed in stay mode.
In certain cars like the VW Golf 8, you'll even be able to arm and disarm it using your voice because that car has Alexa built in, and you can check out that video as well on the channel. The ability to integrate the Alexa voice assistant and Ring means that you have a whole ecosystem where your home can be secure and safe for everyone in the family to use, and it's really easy to use as well. What are the options if you're after an alarm system? It depends where you are in the world. Most competitors require you to have it professionally installed, and a professionally installed alarm system won't be as easy to use, and it definitely won't be as great value. It'll normally be a lot more expensive. This Ring alarm system allows you to install it yourself. It's great value. You can control it with Alexa. It does everything and gives you that peace of mind. If something goes wrong, you'll be able to control it from your phone. You don't have to call up the alarm system and get them to reset it or do anything and charge you a lot more. And if you have the cameras already in your home for Ring, they will all link together and work in the app like you've seen in this video. This is a great system. I recommend you give it a try for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash the like button, that really helps. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much everyone, and stay safe.